Ever wondered why we say I play football and not I am play football? Well, that's the magic of the present simple tense. Today we're going to delve into the intricacies of this essential grammar rule, and by the end of our journey, you'll be wielding it like a pro. Present simple tense, as the name suggests, is used to describe actions that happen in the present. But it's not just about what's happening right now, it also covers habitual actions and universal truths. Take a look at this sentence. I eat breakfast every morning. Here, eat is in the present simple tense. The action of eating breakfast is a regular or habitual action, which is why we use the present simple tense. It's not about what's happening right at this moment, but about what happens generally or habitually. So, what's the rule? It's pretty straightforward. For most verbs, we use the base form in the present simple tense, like I play, you play, we play, they play. But when it comes to he, she, and it, we add an S to the end of the verb, like he plays, she plays, it plays. But wait, it's not always as simple as adding an S. For verbs that end in we, like try or fly, we change the Y to I and add E's. So it becomes tries and flies. And then we have special cases like do and go. For these, we don't just add an S, we change the word entirely, so he does and she goes. Now let's talk about the negatives in present simple tense. We use do not or does not before the base form of the verb. So, I do not play or he does not play. And what about questions? Well, we start with do or does, followed by the subject and then the base form of the verb, like do you play or does he play. So let's quickly summarize what we've learned about the present simple tense. It's used for habitual actions and universal truths. The base form of the verb is used with I, you, we, and they, while he, she, and it require an S or E's at the end of the verb. Exceptions apply for verbs that end in Y, and special cases like do and go. For negatives, we use do not or does not, and for questions we start with do or does. There you have it, the present simple tense in all its glory. With practice and time, these rules will become second nature, and you'll be crafting sentences with ease. Remember, language is not a set of rigid rules, but a beautiful, evolving way of expression. So don't just learn it, live it.